disconnected. You're typing.
Hey, Mike. Oh, no, wait, that's zero.
Shh.
Hands.
Yes, I did.
Ew.
I don't want to die.
Her does in fact have a female appearance, so that you're not wrong there. But the only difference is her name's Naomi.
Come here, Peachy. We are going to be teaching, what language?
Beating the pigeon's ass.
No.
Yes, today we're going to be teaching how to beat the pigeon's ass. Come here, Alan! Today on Atlantica Tonight, we are going to find out if a pigeon is resistant to an arm blade. Let's test that theory. Come here, Alan! Fuck!
One.
We didn't do
Keep
it!
jumping around.
We didn't do it!
No!
No, Aaron! I got this guy. I got him.
You can't do it. You have to run.
Oh, shit! Fuck!
Never mind. That's bad kids. One for both of you.
Yes, I am. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Atlantica Tonight. It is I, your favorite doctor, Dark Eclipse, I'm here with a screaming fox.
No, that's Alice. Okay.
Alan's like, she's right behind me, isn't she?
Ah! No! Foxynova!
That's why you're dead, bud. Stop me! Let go! Oh, ow. Xavier, Aaron's in the game. He scared the fuck out.
Yeah, I know. I saw him joining. Oh my god!
Xavier, don't worry, he's in the DC.
Why did you have something done right in front of him? Aaron, did you swat me down right in front of you? If you did, post something in the Roblox chat. There, stay, no! The circle, stay away!
The fuck?
I just jumped the circle.
Why did Gustavo run like that? What the?
It's not an Alice hair. I saw someone with Alice skin and not skin character, and my foot and he just hurt. I just screamed. Thank you. Gustavo, I just saw run by. I saw a Wendigo run by.
Miss Davo?
I'll be honest, it sounded like Alan said Miss Davo.
We're definitely in a
Like, get your short, well, you're not short to me, but get your short French ass away from me.
And Soroba had asked though. Hold up, Alan. I'm gonna do something. Oh, Miss Grace. Miss Grace. Miss Grace. Ah, but
I'm walking the other way. I'm walking the other way. I'm walking out of the cafeteria now.
Bro, Bubble just one-shotted Alan. How the fuck?
I said, "Oh, hello," and died immediately. So these are the people that are going to be Alex next when it comes, when it's their turn. My brain is like, do I go to her door or no? Casually pushes you over. There you go. Go over there.
What the? Alan, don't. Hey. Alan! Ah! Alice, wait! What?
It's the car!